Hey, what's up? Welcome to Through the Mixing Glass. My name is Joel. Today we're going to be making the Mountain Man, which is a fun, refreshing riff on the classic whiskey sour. This drink was created by bartender Natasha David from the New York City bar, which sadly closed during the pandemic. But the drink lives on and it is a delicious one. I really think you guys are going to enjoy this. All right, let's get started. This is a shaken cocktail, so let's go ahead and get out our shaker set. First into our tin is 1/4 ounce of ginger syrup. The spiciness from the ginger should help balance out all the sweeter ingredients we're going to be adding in just a second. Next is 1/4 ounce of maple syrup. Now it's time for 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Next, the recipe calls for 1/4 ounce of peach liqueur. I highly recommend the Rothman in Winter bottle that I'm using here. It tastes like a fresh, ripe peach straight from the orchard. And lastly, we're adding 2 ounces of bourbon. I'm going with Old Tub, which feels pretty appropriate for a cocktail called the Mountain Man. And we're going to garnish this with a piece of candied ginger. All right, there we have it, the Mountain Man. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Ooh, that is so good. I love that. The ginger, the peach, they pop immediately. Oh, it's so good. Let's just go ahead and give it another try. Everything about a whiskey sour, but just with a couple little extra little hints to it. You know, you got a little bit of the maple, you got a little bit of the ginger syrup, and then that peach liqueur. That's really the star of the show here. It's not a dominant flavor by any means, but it's kind of really what sets it apart. As we start getting into the summer months, this is pretty much perfect for this time of year. I don't fully understand why it's called a Mountain Man. You know, bourbon is like maybe the only mountainy man ingredient in here. Peach liqueur, not really something I'd associate with Mountain Men. Maybe the maple syrup is a mountainous thing. I don't know. For whatever reason, it got the name Mountain Man. It is a delicious drink. It's super tasty. I really think you guys are gonna like it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw here today, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button. And why don't you let me know down in the comments what your favorite whiskey sour riff is. All right, thank you so much. Catch you next time. Cheers.